So we're going to go ahead and talk about backup today and as it relates to LUNs. So let's talk here. We're drawing out on the screen a couple of these hard drives, right? Three of them, and then three hard drives on a different shelf, red and blue. So the blue ones represent LUN 1, and of course the red ones represent LUN 2. So how does this relate to backup? So let's go ahead and put a server in here, draw out a server, and let's talk about the relationship between the backup and the server. So the server has a software, so he sends down the ones and the zeros, right? The command to collect the information from the storage device. So this information is collected, represented here with the blue balls, and it's sent back to the server. Then the red balls are then returned back to LUN2 in this example, so that we can go ahead and have that data at the local device. Remember what's important and the key takeaway here on this video as it relates to backup is follow the arrows now illustrated on your screen. The first one, number 1 there, the command is sent down to the storage device and the controller on the storage device collects the information that it needs. It then tells LUN1, hey, the information is in LUN1, collect it all up, but it's going to send it back to the server because that's where the software is loaded. That's the backup, and the backup does other things like QS databases and things of that nature. And then in the third phase here, it then takes that data and throws it back onto LUN2. Now we're illustrating a disk-to-disk backup, but it could be a tape drive that number 3 is going to or something of that nature. The key thing to remember from this video is that you would think by looking at a backup, both of those storage devices, LUN1 and LUN2, right, the single storage device, two different LUNs, they're both on the same array head. So why can't we just take the data and bloop, move it down from LUN1 to LUN2? And by the way, bloop is a very technical term. Anyways, we can do that. We're not going to talk about that in this video, but we can do that in a technology or with a technology called flat backup. View another video to catch the details on that.